In today's video, we're going to be making some protein pudding using Core Nutritionals Protein Pudding. What you're going to need is a tub of Core Nutritionals Protein Pudding. We chose the Rocky Road flavor. You're going to need a mug or some type of bowl to mix it with, and 1 to 3 ounces of water or milk. So first we're going to open up the tub and we are going to take a heaping scoop of the protein pudding. You can see those tasty marshmallows in there. We got it measured. We're going to throw it in the mug and we're going to try to add our liquid as we stir. So we're going to slowly pour that in there, and again, it can be water or milk. Making a little bit of a mess here. And as we stir, you'll notice it begin to thicken up. The longer you stir, the thicker it'll get, and you'll also get a better, smoother, and thicker consistency using something like milk, coconut milk, or almond milk, but it tastes plenty good with water as well. And we're whipping it together here. Still stirring. Still stirring. Look at that thicken up. Almost done. Delicious.